SDSU, specifically in the area that I'm in, has had a dramatic impact on the state and the nation. You might not know it, but South Dakota State was really the home of the corn ethanol industry as we see it today. The technology was started here. We had a small pilot plant on campus that then led to plants around and surrounding states, and over the past 30 years has grown from basically a dot on the map to an industry now that produces 1/10 of the fuel that we use in this country. We spend billions and billions of dollars every single day on importing oil, and you just think about sending dollars overseas versus reinvesting those dollars here. We've got small towns in South Dakota that have an ethanol plant that have 40 and 50 employees. Chicago, that doesn't seem like a big impact, but when you get a town that has 250, 300 people, that's a big impact.
I really wanted to pursue a field of study that would benefit mankind in the long run. I've been always interested in medical science, and immunology is a very integral part of it. Studying how our body reacts to certain viruses and things like that would definitely be very important when it comes to developing a vaccine or any kind of medication. We are focused towards a porcine system, which means it's a pig system, and we look at how cells respond to bacteria and viruses when you stimulate them. The end game of the research would be to develop a porcine macrophage model that you can use to study the pathogenesis of influenza. Developing this model, a cell culture model, and then passing it on to other people to work on it, that itself can bring in a lot of money and financial aid to the state of South Dakota as well as to the nation.
At SDSU, the faculty-student relationship is very important. One of the big advantages of SDSU in comparison to some larger schools is the fact that we are small enough that faculty members actually are teaching in classes, teaching in labs. Moreover, you can get an opportunity to work with a faculty member in a research lab.
My professors spent a lot of time with me. That helped me a lot because it helped me to understand what I'm doing and why I'm doing it. SDSU has taught me a lot of things, which includes a lot of immunology techniques and skills, use of a lot of machines, the latest in the market. Get a lot of undergraduate research experience. Talk to the person that you're interested to work with. Tell them about what you want to do in life and why do you want to pursue that.
The research that we're doing is leading edge research. So if undergraduates are involved in that research, they're obviously at that leading edge of technology, and that really makes them desirable to employers. We have a lot of companies that recruit here year after year after year, and it's because of the quality of our students. Many of those companies will have 50, 60, 70% of the employees of the company will be SDSU graduates.
Any kind of research has its own downs. It's tough, it's difficult, but I think if you persevere real hard, I think you can do it. I think anybody can do it. You just need to have a lot of patience, perseverance, and lots of coffee too. Yep, definitely.